Hello and welcome everyone! Today's recipe has sprouted forth and is bacon to be eaten. For today's recipe we are going to be making bacon braised Brussels sprouts. This is a super simple and wonderfully tasty side dish that goes especially well with turkey. Now lots of people claim that they hate Brussels sprouts, but my theory is they just haven't had tasty Brussels sprouts and bacon yet. For today's recipe you will need 1 pound of fresh Brussels sprouts, halved and with their loose leaves and stems removed. 4 to 6 slices of thick cut bacon, cut into strips. 3/4 of a cup of chicken stock. 2 tablespoons of butter. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. And salt and pepper to taste. You can adjust the quantity of bacon to your tastes. Additionally, if you do not have thick cut bacon, you can always use regular bacon, just use more of it. You can also substitute the lemon juice for balsamic vinegar if you prefer. Either will add a nice tangy kick to the Brussels sprouts. Firstly, cook the bacon in the pan until it is nicely browned. Transfer the bacon to some paper towel, but keep the fat in the pan. Now add in your Brussels sprouts, trying to get as many cut sides down in the pan as possible. Allow them to saute on medium-high heat for 2 to 3 minutes until they get browned. Next, pour in the chicken stock and cover the pan with a lid. Simmer on medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the lid and continue to cook until the sprouts are at your desired tenderness. Once at the desired doneness, remove the sprouts from the pan. Return the pan to the heat, add the butter, lemon juice, salt, pepper, and half of the bacon. Cook this down until it's a fairly thick sauce, then add the Brussels sprouts back to the pan and toss them to coat. Remove the sprouts from the pan and finally sprinkle over the remaining bacon. Here we have the finished Brussels sprouts. The tangy rich pan sauce and crispy crunchy bacon really elevate the sprouts from classically boring and nasty to something truly divine. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and be sure to share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day and I will see you in the next video.